In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Google Calendar in 2025 quickly and easily. This integration is a fantastic way to manage your scheduling efficiently, ensuring all your important meetings and events are synced across both platforms seamlessly. So let's dive into the step-by-step guide to get you all set up. First things first, we'll start by opening up your preferred web browser. I recommend using Chrome for the best experience with Calendly. Once your browser is open, head over to the Calendly website. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so with your Calendly account details. This is where all the magic on how you schedule your meetings will happen. Now that you're logged in, look for the Integrations and Apps tab. You can typically find this in the main menu on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will bring up a list of various applications that can be integrated with Calendly. It's an impressive list that shows how flexible and powerful Calendly can be when paired with the right tools. From the displayed options, locate Google Calendar. Google Calendar is central to this integration because it will allow all your meetings scheduled through Calendly to automatically appear on your Google Calendar, providing a complete overview of your day-to-day activities. Go ahead and click on Google Calendar to proceed. Next, it's time to link your accounts by clicking on Connect. This action will prompt you to choose the specific Google account you'd like to associate with Calendly. It's important to choose the account you use most frequently for scheduling to ensure the integration works smoothly. Once you've selected your account, you'll be asked to confirm this choice. For that, simply click on your preferred Gmail account from the list that appears. Pay attention to the details shown, making sure the account displayed is the one you want to link. This authentication step is crucial to ensure Calendly has the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar. Finally, complete the authorization process by clicking on Continue. This step confirms you're okay with sharing your calendar information with Calendly, and once clicked, the integration is set. You might see a confirmation message indicating that the setup is complete, reassuring you that everything went as planned. And there you have it. Your Calendly is now successfully linked with your Google Calendar. From now on, you can schedule meetings on Calendly, and they will automatically show up on your Google Calendar, eliminating the hassle of double booking or missed appointments. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and stay on top of your schedule. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you make the most out of Calendly and Google Calendar.